How to take a screenshot on iPhone without buttons. 4 easy ways. Here are 4 easy methods that work. Method 1. Use Siri. The easiest way is with Siri. Simply activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or by pressing and holding the side button. Then say, "Take a screenshot." Siri will instantly capture your screen, whether you're on the home screen, lock screen, or inside any app. Method 2. Type to Siri. If you don't want to speak to Siri, you can type your command instead. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Next, tap Siri. Turn on Type to Siri. Now, activate Siri and type "Take a screenshot," then tap Done or Send. Siri will capture a screenshot without requiring any button presses. Method 3. Use Backtap. Now let's set up Backtap. Open Settings, tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch. Scroll to the bottom and select Backtap. Choose either double tap or triple tap. Scroll through the list and tap Screenshot. From now on, simply double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot instantly. Method 4. Use AssistiveTouch. For the final method, we'll use AssistiveTouch. Open Settings, tap Accessibility. Then, Touch. Select AssistiveTouch and turn it on. Next, tap Customize Top-Level Menu. Choose an existing icon you don't use or tap the plus sign to add a new one. Scroll down and select Screenshot. Now, whenever you tap the floating AssistiveTouch button and choose Screenshot, your iPhone will capture the screen without pressing any physical buttons. And that's it. Those are 4 easy ways to take screenshots on your iPhone without using the volume or side buttons. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.